This video that you are watching right now is one of the best videos that you will watch in the cryptocurrency space. In this video today, I will be showing you 4 websites where you can earn free Binance coins. This method that I'm going to show you is available worldwide. No matter what country you are in, you are going to earn a free Binance coin on this every single day. Watch the video until the end and pay attention to not miss out on the important details. When you decide to start investing, the most important part of the process is educating yourself. This is Investor Boost. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up to enter into a monthly cash giveaway. And lastly, don't forget to watch until the end and leave a comment down below. Now let's get right into it. The first website that I want you to explore is called trustwallet.com. This platform is the most trusted secure crypto wallet out there in the market. You can use this wallet to store cryptocurrency, and you can also use this platform to earn free Binance coin. When you are going to go on this website, I want you to click on the Earn section right here, and then it will take you to this website. You can read here that you can earn cryptocurrency while you sleep. Staking puts your assets to work with interest rates as high as over 100% APR. You can use this staking calculator right here to estimate and see the potential Binance coins that you can get when you are going to stake a certain amount. For example, you are going to stake about 100 Binance coin, then you are going to get this amount per day, per month, and year. Trust Wallet is a very legit and trustworthy website to use. You are not going to be scammed on this website. You can also check out some reviews online to know more about the website. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. The second website that we are going to talk about today is called Unminable.com. You can just go on this website, and this is what it looks like. The very good thing about this website is that you can mine a lot of different cryptocurrencies that are not mineable on other platforms. You can see here that they have already paid out over 50 BTC and have over 10,000 active workers working on this website. They have been adding new coins that you can mine on their website. As you can see here, there are some new coins to be mined, but right now, we are going to focus on Binance coins only. So, if you're going to click on this Binance coin right here, they are going to take you on this page. You can read here that you can start a mined Binance coin by just pointing your miners to one of our pools below, just like if you were mining any other POW coin. Listen carefully right now because I will explain to you how to do this so that you're not going to get confused. The first thing that you're going to do right now is checking on your device. What processor do you have? Then select over here. For example, you have a GPU of 6 GB. Then select over this one, and then select a setup guide that suits you. Once you are done, just directly follow the setup guide, and you are good to go. The guides differentiate depending on the guide that you are going to select. For example, in this guide over here, just directly click on it, and it will take you to another page. And then just follow the instructions that you can read on here. You can also estimate the number of earnings that you can get by using this reward calculator over here. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's proceed right to the video. The name of the next website is called Binance.com. Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world right now. A lot of people are already using this website. This is 100% free to use, and it is available worldwide. When you are going to go on this website, I want you to click on the finance option right here and select this Binance Earn section. Binance Earn is a one-stop investment solution where you can earn free interest rates by staking your coins. Every coin has its interest rates that you can own. You can take a look over here. You can earn from 0.5% to 20% depending on the coin you are staking at. The best thing about investing in this website is that your funds are secured and it has a guaranteed return, unlike the other platforms or other staking programs in which you are going to lose your funds. You can also select the number of days that you are going to stake your coins, which is very good because you don't need to wait for a long time to gain some free coins, and the withdrawal is instant on this website. I highly recommend that you use this website. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. The last website is called Lithium.org. Lithium is a freelancer website where you can do some different projects to get free cryptocurrencies. Many people around the world are earning free cryptocurrencies using this platform. You can read it here. Lithium Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Register for Lithium now to land your first gig or start receiving live bids from qualified freelancers in minutes. You can earn free cryptos on this website by just doing simple tasks and projects. The first thing that I want you to do is to go on this browse section right here, and you can see the different tasks that you can do. You can even see here the potential earnings you can get for every task you can complete and the type of payments you will receive. Just directly click on the task and read the description right here to get started. So that is the 4 websites that you can utilize to get free Binance coins right now for absolutely 100% free. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.